Am I live? Am I live? Good morning, everyone. Am I live? Good morning, everyone. Am I live? I had my stream up as always, so it's gonna be repeating what I just said. Good morning, everyone. Another amazing day in the morning, of course. Just amazing streak. No, I did not trade the CPI. I traded it with evals. I did pass one Apex eval and two Bullnox evals with the CPI news. Somehow got very lucky to win both. All right. Account balances. So pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close to another $20,000 payout. I just can't believe it. I don't know why I only made $222 on these. Why would I take smaller size on that? I guess I just wanted to be safe. I don't remember. But you could see I have smaller size on those accounts. All right, so let's see. The trade 103. Obviously, the volatility is quite insane today, so definitely have to be careful. It looks like we are reversing a little bit on the longer time frames, which is good. It's a healthy pullback. The pullback, or is this a reversal? That's let me pop up the chat here. What do you mean, Mr. Push Up? What do you mean they reset it? Let me see if I could lower the volume for the Discord. I can. Sweet. I hate watching streams when the Discord goes off in the streams. But good morning, guys. Hope everyone's having a good day. I will be doing a shorter stream today. I do have appointments starting at 2 o'clock, so I'll be streaming till only 1 o'clock today, unfortunately. With my trip last week, I have a backlog of appointments. From last week, basically, that I couldn't take, so I have appointments all day today. I have appointments tomorrow and Thursday, but tomorrow and Thursday are in the afternoon, so. I don't know if you could flatten at a certain time. Or Tradeovate has that option? I've never seen it. I try to trade all accounts, but sometimes I just flip a few. Depends. Like yesterday I lost once and I just stopped trading for the day. So it depends. I tried to trade all of them, at least a little bit. But I got my payout approved from my funded futures, by the way. My first payout in my funded futures was pretty straightforward. For 12.50. So that's how much I could only take out whatever's above the safety net, which is 2,000. Their safety net is 2,000, so it's not 2,600. Or it's 2,100 really. So anything over 2,100, I could take out, and this is my actual account now. So I just made 345 in that account today. So I'll be able to take out anything over 2,100. So anything over 52,100. Nope, they did not give me a hard time. I have no idea. They said I didn't scalp for more than half of my trades. Let's see exactly what my stats are. My stats are actually insane on my funded futures. Under 15 seconds, it's 1,600. 100% win rate. No losses. And they paid me out. I don't know. I do want to scalp here, guys, so let's just... All right, it's 92. I'm not gonna be as aggressive as yesterday, but I'm gonna try to make $100 or $200 per account. I'm happy with the day, so obviously scalping is more likely to lose an account, and I don't want to lose any accounts today. This volatility is insane though, so it's good and bad. I mean, it's easier to get 10 ticks, right? So I don't have to trade as much, but I like to, trade 2 contracts, but I know that if I get it wrong, 2 contracts is going to be risky. So it's like, see what I'm talking about? Look at the volatility. Let's see if it bounces of that. Little bounce, and we're out. Okay. Let's extend off of the 200 SMA. So I'm long biased. I don't like shorting lows, but I mean, the market is turning bearish, but we are at support right now on longer time frames. So I just go counter trend. Again, I'm not looking to reverse the market. I'm just looking to scalp it. So today it's 10 ticks. Yeah, it changes every day. I just don't give any examples of the cons of quant. Nah, I mean, that wasn't like because of that. It's just, I literally just left an order. Like, I don't like trading like this anymore. I used to. This is called a fishing order, where I leave the order out. I don't know how it's going to react at this level. So I want to wait for it to hit this level, then see how it reacts, then get in, versus leaving the order out there. This could just fall apart and then I have no chance, So like, that was my fault. I figured it was going to be choppy in that time. Of course, the market became insanely volatile. So that was my fault. But again, it's frustrating, but get over it very quick. Plus, I passed another eval today. So unfortunately, there's no 1-day pass. I would love for them to do the 1-day. I would love for them to do 71% off 1-day pass on Apex, because I'm gonna buy a few more evals today, because I could pass more on the on PPI news, and then once it's turning into 1-day, these accounts will still qualify for that. So that's why I'm gonna load up a little bit more. I should be getting the LLC and starting to switch over to the LLC, but I just... Wow, what a bounce here. Jesus Christ. I just chased that like a freaking bozo. Come on. Come on. It was so close. You gotta be kidding me. Shot to a tick. Unbelievable. Don't chase, guys. It's never good. I don't know why I still do it sometimes. I mean, this could have won easily. If I just pressed the button like 3 seconds earlier, I would have won on the trade. So it's also like timing. I tried to go with the strength, and I get punished. Do I feel generous today? I didn't plan on doing any giveaways. How about this? If I don't lose any accounts, I'll do a giveaway. I am trading till 1 o'clock today. And this will be the last trade on this account, so come on. Don't do this to me. Damn. The pain is real, guys. Damn. All right. Do I just cut it? Or do I think this is gonna play out? Shit. Why would I chase? Said that yesterday. I only lose when I chase. And I did exactly that. And I missed it by a tick. Or 2 ticks, maybe. Interesting. Interesting mindset I have going into trading today. Just chasing. Oh well. I cut it at $1,000 loss. I was up so much on this account too, and I just might cut it. I'm just gonna set $1,000 loss on it. I'm not gonna lose an account today. Not losing an account today. Screw that. It's way too volatile of a day to lose an account. Isn't it stressful to hold trades like these? Nah. I think it's more stressful having a stop loss and knowing that you're gonna get ticked. I mean, chasing stuff like this is actually, you deserve to lose. Like if you trade like this where you chase breakouts, you deserve to lose because it's actually very low potential of wins. I mean, I don't know why I do this. I still like trying to figure out what causes me to get into these trades when I chase. I talked about it yesterday on stream. Chasing is something I can't do. Like when there's strength in the momentum, I can't wait for that. I mean, I can't just chase that. I have to wait for a pullback. This was right into resistance because I thought it was going to retest the highs. And it might retest them, but all this drawdown I just went through is just not needed. I could have been scalping the bottoms here this whole time. But come on, get me out of this trade so I could just move on. Of course it won't. Bastards. But yeah, I set $1,000 max loss on this account. So $1,000 is what I'm risking right now. Not as short. That's annoying. I mean, I deserve to lose. Like, I don't... If I win on this, it's pure luck. Because that was literally the worst type of entry you could have as a scalper who likes ranging days. This was a breakout trader type of trade where it's like, this is why I don't like breakouts. I mean, it never works for me. I mean, if I had 6 ticks target, I would have been fine. But obviously, today's volatility is way too high to just go for 6 ticks. But I hope I lose. I mean, if I lose, then I'm done for the day. And I learned my lesson. But I don't know what I need to do to not do this, because I do it quite often, actually. At least a few times a week. Chase momentum, the biggest. And it never works. It always is it's always like the trap, right? So that's what happened there. This was the trap for longs. Oof. Well, today's stream was short. Come on. We don't want to end this stream yet. Bounce. I mean, I won't end the stream, but I won't trade anymore. Come on. Do it for the stream. See how easy it is when you don't chase the market? So easy. You always get that bounce. Now it could continue, but easy win. 1, 2. So many easy wins when you just wait for support. No, but the odds of this following is very unlikely. This should have been a short or no trade. That's the thing, Martin. You have to be hard on yourself, because that's how you get better. Because scalping looks easy when everything goes well, but when things don't go well, you have to kind of figure out what's wrong, right? There's people that struggle. I get DMs all the time. It's like, I try to scalp and I can't get anything going. Why is that? Well, because trading and scalping is not easy, and you have to be very disciplined, and you can't make silly decisions. I just jumped in there because of the super strong momentum that this had. And that is the biggest mistake you can make, because that's the trap that they want you to have, or they want you to go into. It's a bearish market. It rejected a couple of times. This was a head and shoulders. I mean, in hindsight, it's obviously easy to see, but I'm pretty sure I have, do I have a picture of a setup like that? I take some pictures of my setups I shouldn't be taking. Don't think I have one like this, but it's okay. If I lose, it's $1,000 loss. Not a big deal. We move on, and we don't lose the account. Okay, the account is too healthy to lose it. I'm not gonna lose it on a very volatile day, because there's just no telling where the market wants to go. There's still plenty of room. I'm down 360. It's still far away from 1,000. So let's see. But see, like, I want to chase and add and scalp another 15 ticks. I should have, but Come on, market. Do it for the stream. Well, this buy right there would have worked perfectly. Now, I am green on the day on this account. But it was up like 200 bucks, right? So Octavia. There will be a giveaway if I don't lose any trades today, so I didn't plan on doing it, but someone asked. Today is a shorter stream, so come on, market. You could do it. See, that's like buying up here. If I bought this up here, that's just silly. It's the same thing what I did up here. Maybe I should just take it off break even. Oh, thank you, God. Well, that saved the account. I don't know how much I was down, but this account has decent equity, so that's why I set a stop loss of 1,000 on it. I'll try not to lose funded accounts that are over $2,000 in profit for payout. Now it goes. But there's no telling. That's why chasing is not good. These are the trades that get you in a bad habit. If I would have taken it along here and that would have worked, that is what gets you in the bad habit of chasing. And since we are trading a lot of times throughout the day, we still have to wait for the perfect opportunity. See, now it goes, right? So now it creates that bad habit of like, oh, I'm just going to chase every breakout because it works. No, well, it didn't work here. It didn't work all these times. And this is a big range here. This is 50 points. If I had bigger size, it's done. Harry, you would have to join my Discord, which is linked down below. And it's in plugins and indicators. Does it slow down the platform? No, not at all. Yeah, Harry, if you can't find it, just DM me. Or I pinned it in the you just gotta scroll up to December 4th. That's when I posted it. It's not that there's no chatter in that section. Well, that was a stressful trade, so I'm gonna take a breather from that. Well, not stressful, but just not good. I don't know. I have not had any good trades so far this week. Yesterday was hard to get 6 ticks for me. But I'm definitely moving on from this account. I mean, there's no point of trading this account, so 94. Can't believe another payout's coming. It's like now the payouts are coming so fast, I can't even keep up with it. On PA account, there's no profitable trade threshold you have to meet. Top step. Nathan, can you elaborate? Yeah, top secret. That's not gonna fly, unfortunately. Making $5,000 is exactly what they call a windfall trade. I hope if you made 5 grand, did you make 5 grand? You want to know how much you need to make? No, like you have to do the consistency rule now. If you made 5 grand, you got to make like 17 grand maybe. Yeah, CPI guys is a gamble. You know, you never want to trade your funded accounts on CPI. Wow, what a breakout now. See, now we got a breakout, bastards. So I was right all along, just mistimed it. That's why you don't chase. In my case. What do you guys think? Are we gonna reverse all the way back up and close out the CPI, whatever the news was? I don't even know. By end of the day, you think it's gonna get back up to 840? Okay, let's wait for a pullback. Pull back down here, I wouldn't mind. A lot of support here and here. Oh, God. Top secret, yeah. If you made over 5 grand on your funded account, let's do the math on how much the consistency rule is. According to my math, you need to make 17 grand in that account to get a payout. So, especially if you did it on CPI, like they're gonna check and they're gonna be like, nope. CPI is a no-no. It's the biggest news. CPI is bigger than FOMC, in my opinion. Hit the likes for me, guys. Hit the likes for me. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers. Incredible. Come on. Now the market just wants to continue, right? Now you could have chased anywhere and you would have been fine. See, that's how they get you. Off the 200 moving average, though, I'm gonna just take a short. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. That didn't work. $60 tick stop. Because this could actually go all the way back up. So I'm not gonna risk it. Sheesh. Damn. Damn. Damn, market. You don't play today, huh? Look at that. Could have chased any time. Oh well. Da, 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 da. On a trade like this, I have to use a stop. This could go all the way back up to 840 with no single pullback. I've seen it happen. So I'm not gonna risk the whole account on that. This account has too much profit in it to risk it on a trade like this. I'll make it back. I'll just aggressively scalp it once we go into next range. This is stupid, actually. I hate this type of market. It's like, how are you gonna trade that? If you're riding this from here, then yeah, it's nice. But I'm saying for anyone that's not in right now, it's kind of silly. There's a lot of resistance at like 795, 790. So like down here. I'm glad I stepped out on that one because this could continue much higher. Unless it just dumps now, then I wish I never stopped out. But I think that was a good stop out. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Damn, if this reverses, that's gonna suck. Hope it doesn't. For the sake of my stop. There you go. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? Long? I was 350 from passing a 25K route. Chased the breakout for a small scalp and it blew me right before the big reversal. Yeah. 25K is tough, Abe. I would stick to 50K. I mean, does it want to retrace this move or does it want to retrace the CPI move? I mean, on the daily, like on the hourly 4-hour chart, like support, resistance, and now we're kind of like in this no man's land. Could go either way. What do I want to do? See if it breaks out. Chasing a breakout here, but candle over candle. If it makes new highs, I think it might want to go a little bit higher. Oh, Apex. The payment you requested has been sent. Come on. You can do it. You know you want to go higher. Or maybe not. Maybe. There we go. It should be. What's with the freaking misses say? There we go. Just so like unnecessarily difficult. Could have just went straight up and see how it goes now. Sheesh. Could have made my loss back. If I trade Yankee for 6 ticks all day, make $300, then I guess one trade would be a flip. I don't know. More like P&L. I have no idea. I don't really flip. Unless if I flip, I'm just flipping micros and I actually count it as a flip. Just gonna open and close a micro trade. If I'm making $200-300 a day, scalping 6 ticks, then making $10, $20 a day is flip, I guess. I don't know. You could have 2 flip days or 20%. 20% off. Payday, DJ Hex. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this breakout, I could have made my loss back. Damn it. Yeah, I think we're gonna retrace the CPI. Damn, what a reversal. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm so sore from the fucking gym. Oh. All right, now we're really in no man's land. I'm gonna try to make this loss back with a few scalps. I don't know. I'm so like, do I look at a 15-second chart? No, it moves too fast. I used to. It'll catch me off guard. Yeah, I mean, Daryl, you're better off just getting more evals and trading evals instead of sim accounts. Once you're done trading your funded accounts, which is great, stop them. $700 is amazing. And just do evals. Like what are these charts? Jesus. So many different charts. Line break. What the hell does that even mean? No idea. Time. Tick. Time is normal. Renko bars. Some people trade that. I don't know. Volume. How is volume different from ticks? It's having a hard time loading up 1,000. Forget it. This is 1,000 volume. But I thought tick was the same thing. Like, what's the difference between 1,000 volume and 1,000 tick? I'm in the trade right now, so I should probably go back to 1 minute. It didn't break down as I anticipated. There we go. Go, go, go. Come on. Such a tease today. Honestly, guys, like, what is going on? Why is scalping so difficult on this crazy volatile day? Like, you would think it would be easy. Unreal. It's gonna squeeze now, isn't it? Why am I going for 15 ticks in the first place? I should be sticking to my strategy. You know, it's gonna probably break apart. Yes, of course. Watch, it's gonna dump like 50 points right now. Not 15, 15, not 50. Watch. That's 20 right there on one candle. And I can't get 15 damn ticks. They sent one ACH transfer. Yeah, of course, now it's gonna fall apart. Well, at least I made most of the loss back. Well, congrats, Kevin. That means you gotta pay out. How much was your payout, Kevin? And what's your account sizes? Nice, congrats. First one always feels the best. 3,600. You got 2 accounts? Or did you not take out the maximum on multiple accounts? No, the payment just came out today. I mean, they just sent it out. Probably won't get it till 15th. Maybe tomorrow, or tomorrow would be optimal, right? Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so it would be very nice to get a $26,000 payment as a gift. And back up it goes. Same, not as high up, so hopefully it works out. Hopefully it's not a reversal. I'm not gonna go for 15 ticks though, because it's really too much. I have no idea, guys. Don't think I have one easy trade all besides the ads. Like the ads are easy trades, but besides that, I have not had an easy trade in 2 days. Yesterday I was doing 6 ticks, couldn't get anything easy. It was always like a few seconds. Oh man. Not sure what to do. Just not reading the market right. I miss the days where I could just press a button and it would go in my direction. Yeah, another chase and another burn. Chasing and burning money today. We'll see how this one works out. Meh, there goes the reversal, I think. This breaks the lows here. It's freaking... All right, same thing. Gonna set a max loss on this account. $1,200. And I'm gonna call it a stream there. Wow. What a dumbass I am for chasing. What's wrong with me, guys? Oh, there it goes. Unbelievable. What is wrong with me for chasing up here? The same exact thing I just did like a few minutes ago. Same exact pattern. Right into resistance. You have to be a total idiot to keep making the same mistake. Now it's going to be volatile just like it was yesterday. And that's exactly what I did yesterday. By the top. $1,200 is the max loss, guys. So if I hit 1,200, I am done trading for the day. And I don't know what I'm going to do moving forward. I might just stick to the opening range trade for a few days. And just hang out on stream for a little bit. I'm losing money scalping right now. Is it going to stop me out or is it not going to stop me out? It's not stopping me out. Great. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Rithmic, for not stopping me out. You are great at doing your job when I have risk. Oh, it's because it's disabled. Well. Oh, now the account's gone because I didn't have the stupid max loss enabled. It was disabled. Need to bounce ASAP. But yeah, guys, I am losing money scalping right now, so I might have to call it at least the week on scalps. I had such an amazing week in Bahamas, not trading the afternoon or after the open, I should say. How am I out? Oh, so frustrating. Chasing. And I think I just closed the thing and enabled the max loss. So if this reverses now, I'm going to lose my shit. Chasing like a freaking rookie. This is what I should have been doing 5 years ago, not what I should be doing now, but All right, well, I saved this account. I'm gonna do one contract on it at the open, and I should be able to recover this account slowly. $600 in drawdown. But that's it for the stream, guys. Again, $1,000 day. Go on stream with $3,000, end the day with $1,500. It's like giving back profit every single day on stream. It's just becoming annoying. And now it reverses, so that means I would have been fine. Actually, yeah, I would have been fine. Yep, that's how it goes. I enabled the max loss by closing the thing. Yeah, I enabled it, I closed it, and now it would have been reversing, it would have been fine. Oh well. All right. That's stock trading, guys. I'm done for the week. Unfortunately. No, I lost money on stream. Again, every single day I lose money on stream. 3 days in a row. Last Monday, yesterday, and today. 3 days in a row I lost money on stream. And I wish I could do the opening trade on stream, but it will get banned, so it's like... No, I lost money on stream. When I started the day, I was up a lot more than 920. So yeah. I didn't lose the account though, so I'll recover that account with my opening range trade. I'm just gonna do 100, one contract, make $100 a day on it, and then I'll get a payout with this account in May. I mean, in March. Yeah, I'm still positive. It's fine as long as you guys don't care that I don't trade. I personally am happy with the results. You could trade the open with Apex, yes. But if I give you my strategy, then they could ban it because everyone's gonna become profitable. I have not lost on that trade, guys, since November. I lost once since November that I started recording it. I don't remember what happened before recording it. I don't remember the stats. But since November, since I started recording it, I only lost once on December 19th. That's it. Every single day I've been winning. And that's what really is changing my life. Honestly, guys, I would never think I could go full-time trading until... This is insane. If I didn't close that damn button, I would have been green right now, guys. Or at least close to... Because this was a lot of... Well, maybe not green, but I would have been like down like $500 right now. It's funny how stops kill you when you use them. But if you don't use them, then the market just continues lower. This is crazy. But I could also blow up on stream. As soon as I go on stream, I'm going to hesitate where I'm going to put my trades. I'm going to hesitate how I trade it. And people are going to, because I know people are going to be copying it, and it would just not work out. So I'd rather not do it. At the end of the day, I'm here to make money trading, right? So it's, that's fine. But scalping for now is off the table. Pretty sure you said you lost like 2 weeks ago. Can you confirm? No, I did not. I did not blow up on stream today. This would have been the perfect example of why stops freaking suck, guys. If I didn't use a stop here, I'm green on this trade. If I didn't use a stop, I am green on this trade, and this account is back to healthy status. Now, tell me why that happens. I have no idea, but that's the way it works. When you use stops, it punishes you more than it does good. And in my case, I did lose Rhino. So I think what you're referring to is I did lose on the trade on the accounts that I had max losses set. So I had a day where I did go negative quite a lot on that trade. So the accounts that had a max loss set, I lost on those accounts. But the accounts that didn't have a max loss set, I won on those accounts. But this is so funny. This is a perfect example for everyone that's watching why I don't use stops. This is a perfect example. Stop out right there by mistake. Let's put it this way, by mistake, because I did not want to stop out. Once I went below 1200, I didn't want to stop out anymore. And now I would have been green because my average was like right here. And all these trades, I would have been hella green right now. I would have been break even on the 2 first entries, and I would have made profit on all these trades. Now I'm frustrated. It's hard not to be when this happens, you know? I didn't mean to stop out, Chris. I did not mean to stop out. I closed down the rhythmic max loss and it closed me out by itself. Go watch the stream a few minutes ago. Literally, I did not press any buttons and it just closed me out of the trade. What do I do different? I just have a killer strategy for the open. And scalping works when it works, and when it doesn't work for me. It's one of those weird things where it's like I could go and close my trade. I mean, close my eyes, trade, make $3,000-$4,000 scalping one account at a time, all day, no problem. And then there's days like today, days like yesterday, where every single trade is difficult. It never goes in my direction right away. My first trade of the open, yes. I'm not gonna get into details. I do trade. It's an opening range breakout or breakdown trade, so long or short at the open. And I haven't lost on it, and this is how I'm able to make all these profits on the other accounts. So this was what I made on stream, and this is what I made. So these 2 accounts I traded on stream. Everything else is done one trade, including my funded futures, Bull Knox, and I believe Top Step. Yeah, and Top Step. But this is just beyond frustrating. Like, how is this possible that I give this so much room from 73? Number one, I chased like an idiot. After I chased once already, like you just laugh at yourself. Like you just gotta laugh at yourself because you just did the same mistake twice. You chased here, you went through this whole pullback, and then you did the same exact thing here when you chase into the resistance, and then you go through from 75, 50-point drawdown. You stop out and then it reverses. Like you just can't make this up. You can't. Harmony Trader, yes, that is correct. You are 100% correct. But you have to understand the math behind the blow up. A lot of people can't grasp the concept of risk to reward on the accounts because they are so focused on. I don't pay attention to these numbers. This number and these numbers don't matter. What matters is this number. Is it over 2,600? If it's over 2,600, that's $2,000 that I made. That's how I play the game. I don't look at it as I made 920 today. No, none of that matters. What matters is how close are these accounts to payout, and am I getting a payout? If I am, that is my reward. What my risk is what I paid for that account, and I already got withdrawal from all these accounts except these 2. These will be the only 2 accounts that I did not get a withdrawal from. The rest I already got a withdrawal from. Some of these are going on the 3rd withdrawal. So the risk to reward is insane on these accounts. But this is just insanely funny right now. Holy shit. I can't believe this just happened. I did not even mean to close the trade out, and it closed me out by itself because I activated the Max payout's 2,000, so you could almost close it. But I haven't been this frustrated trading. And this is what happens when you use stop losses. And it happens to all of you guys that use stops. You get frustrated, right? I mean, it's just human nature. Even Tom Hugard, that wrote the book Best Loser Wins, gets super frustrated. Like, to get 50 points pullback, stop out, and then it reverses is just insane. But I'm not gonna get mad because I had a crazy experience in the Bahamas with something that happened, not to me, but to someone I know, and how precious life is. So I am not gonna get frustrated over this because I am still gonna get my 20K payout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more opening range trade on these accounts. I'll get my 20 grand. That's gonna be 46 on the month plus ball knocks. That's 47 and a half. It's 48 basically. And hopefully one more top step payout maybe. Or my funded futures, one of the other two. So I could get to 50 grand this month trading like this. Like, I can't get frustrated at myself because it does you no good when you get frustrated. What I'm getting frustrated at is the fact that I will not be trading. I'm going to be sitting here for 2 hours and I'm not going to take a trade on stream. What is the daily goal profit on the 150K account? 500 bucks. Anthony, to be honest, 500 is what I would consider a good trading day. What I would do if I was trading a 150K account, I would just basically take like $500 divided by how many days I have till the last day of the payout cycle, the next payout cycle, and divide that. And then, so if it's like 12 days, I would do 5,500 divided by 12 days, and that'll be my daily goal. That's how I came up with the $300 per day on my accounts. Basically, it's 10 days. So if I make 3 grand, that'll give me a payout plus $1,000 left in cushion. On the 150K, obviously, you can't take everything out. So you automatically have a cushion built in. I don't use a time frame. It's not your typical opening range trade. I use a 1 minute candlestick chart, but it's not 1 minute opening range trade. Yeah, 300 is the sweet spot for me. That's exactly how I got it. Everything I do has a reasoning for it other than actual trading itself, like other than the chart or the the data. Like, I'll go for a trade for 21 ticks because it will give me exactly $100 per contract net profit. 20 ticks does not give you $100 net profit. So 21 ticks does. So I'm going for 21 ticks. Five ticks gives you $20. Why did I start trading? I wanted to make extra income for my DJ business. So when I started DJing full time, I had so much extra time. So I was like, oh, I just want to make like $200-300 a day. I mean, a week, a couple $100 a week, just to like have extra money for spending and stuff. Obviously, I wasn't making even 6 figures at the time with my DJ business. So, extra couple $100 a week would have been nice. It was definitely a brutal journey in the beginning. Why do I even stream? Good question sometimes. It's a side business too. I lose money on stream Last 3 days, I don't lose money on stream all the time. You could go back, I don't know when it was, 2 weeks ago, when I made, think 36 grand in what, 6 days. So it's not like I always lose on stream. I scalp throughout the day, so it's not stream itself. It has to do with scalping and not being able to scalp sometimes. And I have to get better at it. You can make money with affiliates, right? You can make money with YouTube. Diversifying your income is very important. No, it doesn't put me in negative headspace. It has nothing to do with streaming. It has to do with trading. What do I do to de-tilt? I don't go on tilt anymore. So I kind of fought that demon. Like, you don't see me going on tilt right now, right? I'm not gonna be more frustrated than I am right now, and I am not even thinking about trading right now. Nah. So you misunderstand, or I misspoke it, but it's not because of stream. I don't lose because of streaming. I lose on stream because I'm trading on stream at this time. That's what I mean by that. But if I wasn't streaming, I would still lose on the same trade. The payouts definitely help. Understanding the edge, right? So I understand my edge is to have multiple accounts and to grow those accounts. And if I lose one account or two accounts, it does not matter. I'm not gonna get a full payout ever, but if I get, 10 grand here, 20 grand there, 50 grand there, 50 grand, like 30 grand maybe. Can't get 50, but then it's easier to just lose on one account. And listen, I am not reading the market right. Okay, instead of getting frustrated and trying to make the loss back, I decide not to trade. And I'm like, listen, tomorrow I'm going to try to do better. Last 3 days has not been good scalping. I have no idea what's happening. I have no idea why I'm reading the market wrong. It has nothing to do with the market itself. It has to do with me. I mean, chasing the market is always going to punish you. No matter who you are, how you trade, chasing is always going to kill you, right? I did it twice today. Why? I have no idea. That is the question I have to ask myself. Why did I chase? What made me chase? And how can I remember this for next time? Do I remember the pattern of how I chased? What do I try to remember about the trade? And that's how we get better, guys. I mean, no one's gonna be perfect. Trading is gonna be different. I've always said this since the day one. Trading never gets easy. It gets easier, but never gets easy. And that's the thing. Even my opening range trade, one day it's gonna be a very ugly day. One day it's gonna be a very ugly day. And I just hope it's after this payout and not before it. That's why I'm very cautious when I trade my ready for payout accounts. Because my opening range trade is risky too. It could trap me just as bad. If you're trading to pay bills, that makes it that much difficult. I've never had to do that, luckily. I'm very happy to say I never had to trade to pay bills, and I probably never will have to in the near future. Unless I would change my lifestyle. If I keep my lifestyle, then I am not going to have to pay for bills. The only thing that's gonna pay for it, where I'm gonna pay for with trading, is my my 911. That's the only lifestyle change I would make, which is a big lifestyle change. But you could always sell the car. Oh man, what a frustrating loss though. As frustrating loss as it gets. But at least I didn't blow the account, and I'm gonna try to save this account tomorrow. How do you add the account indicator on the chart? It's in my Discord. It's like a plugin for Ninja for Quant Tower that someone gave me. I have no idea where it's from. I would love to know who created it to give them credit, but I don't know. Do I trade a PA account up to a certain balance before requesting a payout? No. I mean, the goal is obviously to get to payout, so 2,600, but you could see my peak balances on these accounts. That's the highest these accounts has ever been. So you could see like 3,000, a little bit over 3,000 is like what I'm happy with. But then you look at my top step. I mean, not top step. My like my ball knocks accounts are killing it. And I'm gonna get 2 more. I passed 2 more evaluations from ball knocks. So I'm gonna activate 2 more accounts. They're killing it. I mean, up, and I never trade them together. So if I trade one, I don't trade the other. And this one's at 3,100 profit. And this one is at 6,100 profit. That's after getting payouts already. I've had these accounts since December 14th. So exactly 3 months. Ball knocks, for some reason, I just keep the accounts longer. Just shows you how amazing the opening range trade is. What's the max accounts of ball knocks? 11. But you can't activate them all at once. But yeah, guys, today's the last day of the 80% off sale, so I'm gonna buy some more accounts, and then I'm going to try to pass it. Chris, I would say Zakopane is the best. The mountain region. Ugh. I'm filling out the paperwork for my funded futures payout. What time do I normally start my trading day? 9:30. Just trying to do the payout for my funded futures. Oh God, I'm tired. Oh, did you guys get snow, by the way? We got crazy snow in Jersey. Will Apex deposit payouts in a checking account? Yes. Take a picture. I don't have my license with me. It's in my car and it's covered in snow, so I can't do that thing. Oh well. You did your taxes last month, you'll get a bonus. There's no such thing as a bonus with taxes. I'm in North Jersey. Yeah, we got quite a lot. I don't feel like digging it out. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. Maybe I'll do it before then. Oh, I don't want to look at this account anymore. When I make 10K in a 50K account, what will happen to the remaining amount of 7,500? Yeah, they'll pay it, but over time. Taylor ham, egg, and cheese? Yes. Taylor ham, baby. Don't call it pork roll, please. I can't believe my trading is so bad this week. I don't know what's wrong. Trying to figure it out. Mohammed, just read the rules of Apex on how they do payouts. Because if you don't understand the rules, you shouldn't be trading with them. So make sure you like read through it because it's quite confusing. I have 19 PA accounts. Let me see something. Do I have? I did years ago. It's not bad. But reading a book is not really gonna. Going through stuff is more. It's better than reading a book, let's put it that way. Reading a book is good, but I don't know. When you get frustrated and stuff, it's hard to control your emotions, and then doing silly things is easy. I've gotten better with that, for sure. I stopped trading yesterday when I took the loss, and I stopped trading today when I took the loss, and I'm done trading for the day, and that's a huge improvement to my discipline, for sure. Because I don't want to do more damage when I'm not trading well. I want to trade well, and I want to make money when I'm trading well. But when I'm not trading well, I'm not going to bother making money because I know it's hard. Oh, man. Oh, man. There's so many people talking shit behind my back. It's pretty funny. This industry is such a sleazy industry, guys. Just jealousy is so real, guys. I give them out on my own. I don't give out accounts. I give out money. I actually give out. So like yesterday we gave out an eval. I send you $33. That's roughly what I'll make like $50 a day on YouTube. So I'm not gonna mention names. It's other like viewers in different channels. So if I see them in here, they're gonna get banned. They're just losers though. It's all right. But let me just show you guys something. Anyone that doubts me, hope, this is my description I haven't edited in so long. Hope to reach a profit of $100,000 by spring of 2024. I crossed that and it's winter 2024. But some people are just losers and they just are jealous, and I guess yeah, I mean and a lot of it's been done just this year. I mean, I'm already at $92,000 in payouts from Apex alone. The snow is pretty bad. I mean, to some it's pretty good. Yeah, that's the problem, you know. That is the problem, Jamal, and it's like I laid out my plan from last year, all right? I've laid out my plan and it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. And I've had plans in the past where it didn't work out. But a lot of people are talking about the Porsche 911, saying that I get it from affiliates, whatever. It's actually comical. People don't understand I make a lot of money DJing. This is where we got to start with. I make a lot of money DJing. This is my part-time job. I could spend this money on whatever I want, right? I have a car that's worth a decent amount of money. I only need $40,000. Other than 40, I need my car that I have now, $40,000 extra, and then my YouTube revenue, not my affiliates, not my trading, pays for that car. It's not, people are just so broke that they think making a $1,200 a month payment on the car is a lot. To me, it's not. I mean, I worked my ass off, and to me, that's not a lot. Because they're just trying to spread rumors. Okay? They spread rumors. They're just jealous. This has been my goal. I said that's going to be my goal, and I just need a 40K payout to get that car. And I need YouTube revenue to be over $1,000 a month, and I could get it, and it's going to be free because then I could write it off. Do I get healthcare through business? No. I have to pay for my own healthcare. That's the that's the downside of being a business owner. I don't know. That's why I don't want to get into it, but It's just people send me like the stuff that they hear, and then I check it out, and it's true. I want them to come here and talk to me about it in my face. Pom pom pom. Unfortunately, guys, today I have appointments because I was on the trip last week, so I have backlog of appointments. I'll make another 5 grand this week with just deposits for weddings because I have 9 appointments. So if they all book, I'll make another 5 grand this week. Like, I make good money DJing too. Like, DJing is my main income, so anything I made trading. Plus, it's not like I'm spending the money. You could get 5% interest. So all the payouts that I gotten, if I just put it into 5% interest, that's a lot of money right there. That pays for a car as well. I live in New Jersey, so weddings are very expensive. New Jersey has the most expensive weddings except for New York City and California, I think. But it depends where in California too. But New York City and New Jersey are the two most expensive states to get married. So it sucks when you get married, but as a DJ or as a vendor, it's nice. How much does the wedding normally cost in New Jersey or New York? Over 100,000. That's just a normal. My best friend is a florist. His average wedding nowadays is 20,000. JP Morgan on Sir Home. I have no idea, Danny boy. I just know if you sometimes when you work for banks, you can't trade. I don't know if that's true. I know if you work for a bank, you can't day trade. Oh yeah, Danny boy. That I'm just saying if you ever wanted to actually day trade. Yeah, I forget. I've heard that from a bunch of people when I used to day trade. Like my couples that worked in finance or in banks or anything like that, you wouldn't be able to day trade because technically like you got the inside information or something like that. I have no idea what it is, but prop firms would be allowed because it's not technically trading. They wouldn't really know, but yeah, only because you're rich doesn't mean you look rich in New Jersey. The housing, the taxes, the cost of living is crazy here. But there's some areas in New Jersey, like Bergen County, where it's beautiful. So it just depends where you. America, I guess the whole world is like that, but America, you drive between different cities and different states, and it's different world. You drive an hour away from me in every single direction, south, north, west, east. It's a different world within less than an hour of my location. You go west, it's freaking, there's nothing out there. It's PA, West Jersey. I mean, it's farmlands. That's it. You go South Jersey, You get the beaches, you get the shore, different lifestyle. You go east, that's New York City. North, north is more like west. It's like you go upstate New York, so then it's like again just farmland and mountains, nothing really. But it's like the whole like the whole life changes when you drive by, and it's just like I see it when I go to weddings. I'm driving like 30 minutes. I'm like, holy crap, like just 30 minutes away, and it's like different. The stores are like little shacks and stuff. It's just like weird. Another green day, smaller green day again, but another green day. So on the streak of green days, but just not happy with how things are going trading wise, but happy with the payouts, so that's more important. Trading we could always improve on. For all the haters out there watching, got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, can't see the account balances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's $18,000. That is a half of what I need to afford a 911. All right. These accounts, except these two, already got payouts. Some of them are going into third payout. So if you're broke, I'm sorry, but I worked my ass off since I was 16. So if you want to know how I manage the accounts and how I trade these accounts, then it's very simple. What I pay for the account is what I risk, which is peanuts compared to what I used to risk on stocks. And anyone that watched me trade stocks knows that I used to risk a lot on stocks. Even recently, December, I was risking $3,000 per trade on stocks. $3,000 pays for 20 funded accounts. If I do lifetime, if I do monthly, it's even more. But I'm still debating. Because like these accounts are these are since December 14. That's when I activated this account. That's 3 months. Like that's worth doing a lifetime. Do you like to get them to 4K to profit? No, just over 3 grand. Just over 3 grand, and I'm happy with that. I mean, there's only one time I got it over. This is the only account I got over 4 grand. The rest I never got over 4 grand, and they're still alive. So as long as I have $1,000 in drawdown, I mean, there's a chance I'm gonna lose some accounts, right? But like I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 accounts, and I had 19. So these 3 were lost, and then 1 more was lost. These 3 are just stuck in here. They don't disappear. But this one hurt. This one was up. This is the one I lost during FOMC. I went to flip the account, but I flipped it with my minis on purpose, trying to make like, you know, $40. And it dumped 30 points in the second. I was like, oh, okay. And I went from being up, I don't know how much I was up, close to 3 grand. I was ready for payout. It was on day 9. I just needed one more day and I would have gone. So instead of getting 26, instead of getting 26 grand tomorrow, I'll be getting 28 grand. But mistakes were made. I emailed them once already, but they said it will reflect, but I don't really, doesn't really bother me as long as I don't trade it by mistake. Do I lose the money I have in an account that gets blown? What do you mean? Is this one day pass discount? No, it's not. They do not have that right now. Do I scalp when I do evals? I haven't done evals normally in a long time, since November, I think. So now I just YOLO evals. Because I have a 50% win rate on evals. So I'd rather pay. That's what I haven't done any recently. Like I done them today. Like I won one on today. And then I got 2 bull knocks today as well. But I haven't done evals because I'm thinking about switching to LLC. How long does it take me to pass eval, guys? I'm not gonna really talk about evals because it's irrelevant. If you are not profitable as a trader, your eval should take 7 days, right? If you are profitable, then you could pass them in 1 minute. 10 contracts, 61 ticks is all you need during a volatile portion of a day, like right now. 61 ticks is only 15 points. This is a 15-point candle right there. So this is how you pass aggressively. But is it gonna benefit you if you can't get a payout? No. For me, it's worth it because I'm not wasting time. And I know I could get to payouts, right? So it's like, for me, it's worth just passing evals faster, but I haven't done it in a while because I have plenty of accounts still. These accounts have been alive since basically last year. And it's just been much better consistency. But when I need to do the accounts, I'll do them. If I don't have any funded accounts, I'll scalp them. And because I've had days where I made 12, 13 grand scalping. I wish I could do that, you know, all the time, but sometimes I just can't read the market, right? LLC comment, is this for tax benefits? It's for S Corp benefits. I'm gonna be in one of the highest tax brackets, so I could save money on the self-employment tax. I already made well into 6 figures this year. So you save on self-employment tax. That's the only thing that's the benefit of LLC, really. But I don't have an S corp. But to get an S corp, I would have to do LLC. It's confusing. It's like it's something that you need to research and ask your accountant. On a 25K, yes, it stops at 1,500. What's going on? I use the built-in Quantower copy trader. Do I have to use international payout? No, I'm in the US. But the Quantower has a built-in copy trader. So the platform that I use is called Quantower, and it has a built-in copy trader for free. So you don't have to purchase anything. And you're able to copy trade between prop firms as well. So like I'm able to trade my Apex accounts with Bullnox and my funded futures and Top Step. So what do you see on the screen? You see I'm up 920, but I'm actually up a lot more than that because I also traded the Top Step account, my funded futures account, and my Bullnox account. So that's another grand right there. It's really awesome. That's kind of what got me into trading with Quantower in the first place. I don't know what the ARM strategy is. You have to elaborate a little bit. I do not trade all the Apex PAs, no. I try to if the day's going well, like if I didn't lose on this trade, I stopped out. I still have like $700 in drawdown on this account, but if I did not lose on this trade and I would have made money, then I would have moved on to this account, and then I would have moved on to that account and this account. So like I would have kept trading them. But since I lost, I'm done. That's like my discipline check. It's like when I lose, I'm just done for the day. No point of doing more damage. ATM, yes, it does. ATM, it copies. So if you go here, so if you wanna, oh, gotta run it first. So you see, it copies all these accounts with the bracket. Do I use a stop loss in my opening strategy? Not really, unless it's built into my rithmic. So if the accounts are over a certain amount, then I would set a stop loss. But my highest win rate is with not having a stop loss. Because I've been down on the trade before. It's not like it always works perfectly. So I'm able to work out of it. Can you pass in 1 day on Apex? Not currently. What's going on, McSweeney? Just been struggling last 2 days for scalping. Just making poor decisions and still green on the day, but just always ending the day with a losing trade and calling it. So as soon as I lose, I just call it. Didn't blow any accounts today, but did some damage to one of them. What's going on, Travis? Not really. Took the worst type of loss. I just had last 2 days I just can't scalp. I don't know what it is. I think I'm just still like in the vacation mode or something. Making poor decisions, can't even get like yesterday I couldn't get 6 ticks in my favor. Like it would always go like it would take a minute to get 6 ticks. I don't feel like doing appointments all day today. I'd rather just sit here. Gotta make some money. Make some bookings happen. The engagement season was obviously during the holidays, so people booked their venues. And now it's vendor booking season. How was Bahamas? It was awesome. The weather didn't cooperate. It was cold, but like the nightlife was awesome. So the beach, the pool, all that stuff didn't work out, but the wedding was good. They got very lucky with the weather the day of the wedding. But the first 2 days I was there, it was freezing. Art, nice. Congrats. That's a crazy day. Are you on the funded account? If you're on the funded account, you got to be careful with the 30% rule unless you're not with Apex. Yep, it's snowing. Where are you from, Range Trader? Oh, Sweden. Huh. It's snowing here in Jersey too. Is there a coupon for a copy trader? Quant Tower copy trader is free. If you want like the advanced features of Quant Tower, then you could use code Alpine for 10% off. TraderVay built in as well. TraderVay is free as well. Yeah, just trade evade. You cannot make brackets, so there's no ATMs for copy trading. So it kind of sucks. Mm-hmm. Yeah, A11, you can't make brackets. I don't know why they don't allow it, to be honest. You would think it would be an easy fix or easy programming. I don't even have any evals to trade. I should probably just practice scalping on evals, to be honest, just to get back in the rhythm. But I don't have any. Do I have a top step eval? Maybe I have a top step one. Let me see. Because remember they had that fire drill thing? Let's see. Yeah, I do have a top step one. Screw it. Might as well do it. Let's start off with the 200 SMA trade. The ATR is 9. How is it so difficult to get 6 ticks? See, that's how you know that you're not trading well. If you just wait for the pullback. Is this gonna like continue lower, maybe? Quantar doesn't have a sim on, like you have a sim on the actually does the Top Step take away the free accounts, the practice accounts? I don't see it. There used to be a practice account. They only give you one now? Interesting. Yeah, I can't get. Yeah, I'm gonna finish early today too. I have appointments at 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna finish at 1 o'clock. So I could eat and clean off my car so that way I could go to the gym at between appointments. Whoa, I didn't get filled. Rip, max loss coming. Maxi loss. Yeah, this trending market is just See? Good thing I traded an eval and not a funded account. Just can't get scalping going right now, guys. I keep getting caught in the trending markets. Like yesterday was so choppy, and then as soon as I went long, it went straight down like this. Come on, market. Bounce for me. Nope, it will not bounce. It's just gonna stop me out. Damn, I was like $20 away from getting stopped out. And it's gonna stop me out. As soon as I make any low. Oh, bounced. I was like $20 away from getting stopped out. It's pretty wild. Now I'm green. Wow. What a trade. What a trade. This is the reality of stock trading. $10,000 loss. This guy. Nice bounce here. I'm gonna try to get a couple more scalps on this. Try something different. Let's see some. How much profit is that? It's not bad. Let me see. Momentum push. Set it to break even stop. Maybe it'll go. Nope. Does not go. Alright, just be careful with spamming the chat too much. You could join the Discord if you want to share the exact details of your trades. No, you're fine. Just try to consolidate the messages. No, you're not in trouble. You are not in trouble. I don't know if that's... I'm assuming that's net profit. Yeah, it's net profit. Okay. If I could get that to 1500, then I would just do my opening trade on this account for the next 5 days. Or next 3 days, actually. I'll just go full size. Does 30% rule apply to evaluations? No, it does not. Yep, I see art. I'm just getting my confidence with scalping 3 ticks. I wonder if you could get a payout scalping 3 ticks. You just added 300k PA to your total? Damn. I was never able to pass the 300k evaluation. I tried once or twice. One of them I got very close, and you guys must be watching on delay. But yes, there is no consistency rule or any sort of rules on Apex evaluations. You could do whatever you wish. You could hedge, you could flip, you could whatever, full size, port, scalp for 1 tick, whatever you want to do, you could do it. It's just 0 rules for scalping or trading evals with Apex. Okay, halfway to goal. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It just doesn't. When you like go out of the stream into another browser window, it puts you on delay and stuff. I don't know. It's annoying sometimes. Happens to me on other streams. Well, that was a big dump. I got lucky on that one. Jesus. Okay then, market. I'm gonna go for it here. All right, $1,000. 500 more. Mate, doing all right. Not scalping the best right now, but of course, when it's a sim account or evaluation, I'm scalping well. But for some reason on the funded account, I've been struggling last 2 days. Bahamas was fun. Yeah, Bahamas was fun. It's very expensive. Very expensive. Spent a lot of money. Basically broke even on the trip when it comes to the wedding itself. I got pretty much 3 grand for the wedding, plus flight and hotel. But yeah, probably spent close to that. Not secured yet, Travis, but let me see. Where's my window? Hmm. My whole window just reset. What the hell? I don't know why that just changed, but Jesus Christ. Very annoying. Why did that change? Oh. I lost my window and I gotta redo it now. Damn it. I think I closed it out. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts that pay out. So 18 grand. Yeah, I looked up the prices for that. It was Royal at the Atlantis. So I looked up the prices for like March because I would like to go back when I'm actually not working. And it was crazy expensive. So yeah, no thanks. You got 6, nice. Yeah, these are not ready for payout yet. I still gotta trade them all the way till the 20th. A lot of them. Um, to get 10 trading days because I took a payout from them last time. The only two, the highest balances are the two that I could take out. I'm at 10 days and I won't touch them again till I get a payout. But the other ones I still gotta trade to get 10 days. And damn, now I'm reading the market better. Sheesh. Travis, what was your scalps? What was your size for scalps? Yeah, Royal Atlantis. Wow, what a run. Did I trade CPI at 8:30 this morning? Yes, I did. I passed 3 evaluations and I failed one. Damn, 5 to 10 points. All right, getting close to target, the maximum I can make per day. Damn, makes me think I could pass an eval like this. Maybe I should sign up with my funded futures. Because they have 1-day evals. Or maybe Tick Tick Direct. Not Tick Tick Direct, Tick Tick. And just try to pass evals like this. I only got like 4 hours of sleep. It's gonna be a long afternoon of appointments. I didn't record the CPI trade. I just went long and short right before the news. It wasn't like my regular trade. I just happened to somehow win on both accounts. Let's see. Made $4,600 in one account, 3,000 on the other. That's a bull knocks. Mark, interesting. Rick, thank you for using my code. All right, let's see. We've got a big pullback. I got 20 minutes, guys, before I gotta go. Let's try to get this to 1,500. All right, getting close. Just scalping the volatility. I'm, of course, trading a lot better now than I was earlier. You could talk in the general tab or the technical analysis tab if you want. But you could talk in the YouTube. It's just calling out trades and stuff. It's not really gonna benefit anyone. But if you want to show like your charts afterwards, you could do it in Discord. It's easier that way. Just show your charts instead of typing it. It's easier to see visually. But you're killing it, so that's awesome. Yep, welcome to... I'm not as active in the Discord during streaming, but last night we were going till like 2 a.m. in the Discord. Oh, hit those legs for me, guys. What's the discount that you guys want from Apex? What do you guys think is going to happen? I'm thinking 71% off with 1 day pass. That's my prediction. Zero payment. The 1 day pass, 71% 1 day pass would be ideal because you could buy the accounts at 80% off today. Or if you have any accounts that passed, that are passed, like I have a few accounts that are ready for activation. They're just not on 7 days. Gail, yeah, I mean that's the rumor as well that they're gonna lower the actual days of traded requirement. So 1 day is never gonna be permanent, but maybe they'll make it 5 days. That would be good. 3 days or 5 days. What, the new sale? Well, typically they announce it after one sale ends. Top Step has a consistency rule which kills you. If you take a loss on Top Step, that sets you back so much. I wish Top Step was 2 days without consistency rule. That would be good. Turnip. Apex does not have a consistency rule for evals. You could pass it 1 day. You're comparing, I don't know, you're confused when it comes to evaluations of funded accounts. So go back and do some more research. But Top Step isn't bad, but I think My Funded Futures is better than Top Step. There's really nothing great about Top Step anymore. Yes, Money Gang. if you have any evaluations that are passed at profit but not on 7 days, as soon as they announce the one they pass, those accounts will qualify and they'll get activated. No, you still have to trade for 7 days. If there's no promo, you have to trade for 7 days. So you just got to open and close a trade. So you just go to micros and you click buy and you click sell, and that counts as a. Is there a max profit for a day in Apex? No, there isn't. But there is a consistency rule. So if you make a big 1 day goal, then you have to stay consistent to make sure that day is not more than 30% of your overall profit. Okay, and how you could do that, I made a video about that, is you take that day. So like if I make 12.59 in a single day, like I have here, so I would take the 12.59 and I'll divide that by 0.30, and that'll give me $4,200. So I have to make $4,200 to be at 30%. When is the cutoff for the March 1st payout? March 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, you got plenty of time for that. So there's no way. I don't know. Amber, I'm not sure. Because that's plenty of time left. Yeah, it's the next payout window. But we're talking about the following. Obviously, you're not going to make it to this payout window. No. Jim, I mean, if you consistently hit in 30%, then that doesn't matter. It's only if you have like one bigger day. I do not have VWAP on my chart, so I don't even know where VWAP is. I don't know where VWAP is right now. I don't have it up. These are moving averages. They're not VWAPs. Or they're not VWAP. All right, guys. In 15 minutes, I'm going to sign off. I have appointments from 2 o'clock. I have a break. After the 2 o'clock meeting, I have a break for gym, and then I have 3 more appointments. Everyone's getting engaged and hitched. So I'll go long there. Come on. There we go. All right, $100 more. I mean, I don't really need to make it because I'm not gonna go for $1,500 tomorrow. I'm gonna go for just the opening range trade. I'm just gonna copy the opening range trade into this account now. Am I still in detention? You were never in detention. Damn. Well, Art, you win. Well, I got lucky out of that long. If I didn't scalp that long, I would be. I'm eating Ponchek right now. Fat Thursday was already last week. Wow. What a sell off here. Actually, no. It's like the range isn't as big as I thought. I don't know why I thought it was way bigger than that. This is only 10 points, 15. I'm just so zoomed in. It looked like a big move, but what's going on, Jay? All right, need one more trade. One more trade. I don't know what just happened. Oh, what? There we go. Yeah, we'll take that. 1486. What do I think about Avicii? Avicii changed the dance music a lot. I like his music. CPI is wild, guys. CPI is the worst news to trade when you want to actually make money with the plan. It's really like a Russian roulette because of the volatility that it provides. You could actually make money and still go into admin mode. Like I made money on this account, but it went into admin mode. Admin mode means that it's failed. All right, I need $14. Can I do it? Yay, we did it. $1,500. That was good. So I'm gonna try a pass Top Step and get 2 funded accounts at Top Step. Halfway there. Now I kind of want to just get more evals and just trade evals and scalp them to get more confidence. I don't have any evals with Apex that I could trade. I have no other evals I could trade. I'll have to buy some, which I am going to, but since I gotta sign off here, I don't know if I'm gonna bother with it right now. Let's check So I don't know. Actually, let me try a different calendar maybe. All right, so PPI is Friday. It's not tomorrow. All right. So PPI is Friday. So PPI is like a mini CPI, but it's much cleaner to actually trade. So I might actually trade my funded accounts in that. Thursday, initial jobless claims. I'm trading that. All right. So tomorrow I'm going to be trading the oil as well. And then I don't know what core CPI is. Does anyone know that? Wait, that's today. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Because my other news, this calendar on Wednesday has this PPI thing here. So I don't know what the hell that was. So that confused me. But I guess that's UK. That's why. Oh, okay. That makes sense. No, I don't get this. Look. Like, what does this mean? Where's core PPI MOM final? Does that mean the market's gonna move at 8:30 or is it not? Um, I am not scalping for. You talking about these accounts? 21 cent. This is one trade. This is 23 ticks. This is scalping. 316. This was scalping. So this has a little bit more commissions. Twenty-one. To give you an idea of what the commissions look like when you scalp, I made 1860 gross, but 1500 net. But top step commissions are a little bit more expensive than Apex. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. I have meetings at 2 o'clock, and I wanna go on unshovel my car and eat lunch, and then go to the gym after, because I have like an hour and a half between my appointments. So I'm a wedding DJ, and people are getting hitched and married, and I was away last week. Typically, I don't do that many appointments, but this week I have 10 appointments, 9 of which are new appointments. One is a wedding that's happening next month. So it's like a final meeting, but all the other ones are first initial meetings. So could be a good booking week as well. Could be an average wedding could turn into another big payout. But obviously that's spread out over the next 2 years. I take small deposits. I don't like getting paid up front. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for a full day of streaming. Most likely, probably till 3 o'clock tomorrow. Because I have appointments tomorrow too, so I have to go to the gym before appointments. We'll see what kind of sale Apex brings, and then we'll do some giveaways as well, I'm sure. Again, guys, RP, yeah. I mean, what? No one's gonna check your trades, right? If you wanna do a play-by-play of your trading, just go on YouTube and share it on YouTube. I think that's gonna be your easiest way to find a home, because no one's gonna go to the chart and look like, oh, he's in at this price and he's gonna target this price and his stop is there, right? It's just not gonna, no one's gonna go and look, so like post your finished chart when you're done with the trade. I think that's gonna be your best bet. Just post your chart, entries, exits, PNL is very important. So PNL, and also whether it's a eval or funded account, and then you'll be fine. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out and talk to you tomorrow. I'm already distracted here, so not a bad day, not a great day, but again, getting close to more payouts, and that's what matters. So got 18K lined up for payouts. Hopefully get to 20K, and then ideally, now I'm gonna be pushing for 50K this month, but we'll see. Don't want to get ahead of myself, right? 50K would be insane in 1 month. All right, guys. Later.